In this video I capture some great footage of routing a dovetail slot, and I share an important tip on what not to do when using a table router with a fence. Hi everyone, I'm Pete and this is... Here's a clip of me going over the same section a second time to tidy up the inside edge. And this is cutting the second edge of a dovetail slot. Beautiful. This is how we do it. Yeah, but that's not how the day started. Here I am setting up for the first dovetail cut. Can you see what I'm doing wrong? Actually, there's nothing wrong with this cut, except I forgot to connect the vacuum hose to the router. Take two, no problem with this cut. But when I try to cut the other side of the dovetail, well, you know what happens. Ouch! Still hurts just watching it now. I learned something important though. Don't put your camera directly in the path of the wood. Okay, so where did we go wrong? This is my setup for cut 1, which, if you remember, worked fine. And this is my setup for cut 2, which went horribly wrong. But what's the difference between this and cut 1? In both positions, the wood being cut is sandwiched between the router bit and the fence. But the first position also has plenty of wood getting cut on the other side of the bit, which cut 2 doesn't have. This extra bit of cutting prevents the wood from getting launched across the table, and it lulls you into a false sense of security that you have everything set up correctly. So this is how you should do it. Get the router bit cutting so it's pulling the wood into the fence, and push the wood through against the turn of the bit. Then you'll get nice cuts like this one. For a more detailed breakdown of this, check out this video from Covey's Woodwork. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it, and if I've earned it, please subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you on the next one.